What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. This is Professor JD Olsen coming at you from my gym, Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed, right here on the Martial Arts Limited Association YouTube channel. What I have for you guys is 4 Americanas or American locks from Kesa Gatame. So if you're one of those people that are really good at getting into Kesa but you don't know what to do to finish the fight, here are 4 American locks that should help you out. Let's get right into the video. I'm in this Kesa Gatame position. Let's talk the 4 Americanas from this position. So the first one, I'm fighting, maybe I was trying to get one of the arm bars and I can't seem to get it because he's too good. So as I'm here, I lift and I pull down. If they have a really tight shoulder, you're not going to be able to drill this really well. Or you can have them do this. Take your hips, walk your feet that way a little bit. Good. Now he's not panicking a little bit. So that's the first thing, is to get this here to there. From there, I build my cage. Make sure you build your cage. Sometimes, especially if you're a smaller person, they can just curl your whole leg and you can't finish them. But by building that cage, they can't do that. So I got the cage. Now I'm going to S-grip my hands. Gable grip is fine. I prefer S-grip for this particular move. Now with head lift, with hip lift. Those are your first 2. And there's pretty small differences. So once you have your Americana set up, connect your hands, make his nose touch his belly button, and now make your hips touch the ceiling. Those are your first 2. One more time. So I'm fighting, I get that locked in, get your cage built. Now I take my hand out. I know it's pretty deep in there. It's not just like his palm to where when I go like this, it just slips out. I need my calf muscle on the wrist. So there, head lift, hip lift. Now the third one is we call it seat travel. I love this one. Again, I got this from Guru Rambaliki from Shoot Wrestling. All I do is I step out and I'm gonna walk his elbow towards his hips. And there's the submission. That's called a seat travel. One more time. There it is. So it's just stepping back, walking backwards. And then for whatever reason that's not working, or maybe you just can't get that to work, bring your knee to your ankle. Now I'm going to slide my knees together. And it lifts his elbow and catches him. Knee to ankle, slide. Notice my hands have been together this whole time. I've never let go of my grips. So if he's trying to escape, I don't end up losing it. I always have the Kesa Gatame position. So, putting all 4 together. I'm fighting, trying to get the arm bar, couldn't get it. Lock that in, build your cage. First attempt, head lift. Second attempt, hip lift. Third attempt, seat travel. Fourth is your, what we call is shear off the arm. And that is your 4 Americanas from Kesa Gatame. Sweet. Well, there is 4 different Kesa Gatame American locks. Go ahead, put in the comments which one you like the most, or which one that you have found to be the most successful with. I'd be kind of curious to see what you guys have to say. I also will respond to every single comment that comes in. I have my favorite. I want to know if you guys have the same favorite. Also, let's see. Let's do a question of the day. Question of the day is, what is your favorite dominant position to score American lock with, or Americana? I'd like to see that. And I'm going to pick a winner in 2 weeks. And then that winner is going to get a free Martial Arts Limited Association t-shirt. So go ahead, put in the comments below what your favorite American lock is, from which favorite position to get an American lock is, and we'll give you a free Martial Arts Limited Association t-shirt. Awesome. Well, go ahead, do me a favor, hit that like button if you like the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you like the content you see on our channel. And last but not least, hit that bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out from all of us here at the Martial Arts Limited Association. Myself, Sensei Josh Owens for Judo, and Sifu Ed Stahl for Jeet Kune Do. All right, you guys stay safe, keep training. This is Professor JD, and I'm out.